What's going on, everybody? Everything credit here. So I made a post earlier about Credit Repair Cloud, or as most people call it, CRC, and how the scammer is using that and why it's not a good thing for you to use a company that wants to give you updates through CRC or Credit Repair Cloud, whichever one you want to call it. The problem is, when you do the updates on Credit Repair Cloud, it'll show you all kinds of deletions. The problem is, when the client gets done with their repair, or they think they're done, and they go to get something, all the stuff's still on there. Because for whatever reason, the way Credit Repair Cloud's designed, it shows all kind of deletions even when nothing is deleted. So it makes it look like you've done a lot when you haven't. And the only reason I know this is two reasons. One, I used to use CRC, so I know how the updates are on there. Two, clown number two, one of his clients or ex-clients reached out to me. This is exactly what happened to them. They thought they were done with the credit repair. Well, nothing was removed. Now, that's not to take away from clown number two or anybody else. That does happen, but you're tricking people into thinking these items are removed with your software when it's not. And I know I'm behind on updates. If anybody needs an update, just let me know. I'll go in there and manually do it. It was supposed to do it on its own, but for whatever reason, it doesn't work. But again, I just wanted to let everybody know, if you're working with a credit repair company that uses Credit Repair Cloud, or CRC, as most call it, just know that those updates are not accurate. If it shows you got a bunch of deletions, chances are you got little to none. The letters inside the software suck. I mean, they really do. I got very minimal results when I was using that. That's why I started creating my own letters and getting the results that my clients wanted. But again, got to look at this from a scammer's perspective, and that's exactly what they want to do, is make you think that everything's removed, but it's really not. Anyway, I'm going to go live here in a little bit. Hope to see you all on there. Just be careful with who you sign up with for credit repair. Have a great day.